Hello guys and welcome. What do you think about something what it's called doing nothing and receiving money? Sounds like impossible, right? But I will show you that it's very well possible. It's not of course huge amount of money, but it's enough money for doing nothing to pay at least your utilities or have some pocket money. And it depends also of several factors. So let's say like this. Every day you sit on your computer or your mobile device or whatever what you consume every day. You know that I'm perfect artist. And you using your computer or your phone every day spend some electricity which costs some money. And God knows what I just write here, but I hope you understand what I mean. And what do you think that in that time when your computer is turned off, consuming less than 1% of your power, you actually earn some money where you get that consumption paid back. And exactly what I mean is next. Here is one website which share your internet connection. You literally don't need to do absolutely anything. You register, you install this application on your computer or your mobile, I prefer computer, and you receive money. Like I said, it's not huge amount of money, it's some pocket money. If you use my link in description, you will get welcome $5 what you will get as a gift to start. And here is some short explanation. In average, you will need, if you use one device, 48 days to claim $20, and it will be automatically paid on your PayPal account. If you have two or preferred three devices, three computers or whatever, you will get this amount of money faster and more often, what is logical. Here you have very easy to explain video.
Hey.
What is this? I will turn off sound. What is this platform form? And they explain everything in depth in short words how you can actually profit when you simply install and use this platform and how these things work. You know, for residential proxy services, right? This is one of companies which sells and rent residential proxy, and actually your internet connection will be residential proxy for somebody who pay that service. So that means if I live in some country where I'm not able to open some website, I will buy and rent residential proxy from another country that I'm able to open that website. And in short, that's it. What you will actually doing here, you will rent some, let's say 5-10% of your network bandwidth, and you will give it to this company. In numbers, you need to rent 10 gigabytes of traffic that you get $1. I know it sounds like something you will never get, but look, for you, I opened one account right now, maybe 1.5 hours ago, just to show you how this thing works. This is dashboard what you will get. This is this bonus $5 what you get when you register. And I register my 3 computers. And these 3 computers works in the last 1.5 hours, actually 2 computers and 1 mobile. And you see so far I share 132 megabytes, and for that 132 megabytes I get 3 cents. When I refresh now, maybe it's a little bit more, no, it's 3 cents. And I also invite my friend to show you something where you can get additional money. You can invite your friends over your referral link to get some additional income. So that means for every profit what they get, you will get 10%. So if you have friends, for example, I have many friends in India, Pakistan, and in countries where $20 means them a lot for monthly bill for mobile or something like that, and they work all day on computers. So when they have this service like this, where they can share their bandwidth, which they never use 100% or left computer turn on over the night, they will actually get some profit in period on 1 month, which will cover some additional cost what they need to pay one way or another. So if you play games, if you do something on computer, if you whatever you're doing, this won't use or abuse your internet connection and won't make you any trouble in first hand. In second hand, you can invite friends where you can get some additional profit from them. 10% what they get, you will get as some bonus from what they earn. So that means if you invite 10 friends and they every get $10 each, so altogether it's $200. After 1 month you will get commission $20. So 20 what you get, 20 from your referrals is 40 already, and so on and so on. So this is something what it's worth to try. It's 100 legit. It won't make any influence on your privacy, your files, or anything. You can read everything what they write here on their website about how it works, what they use. You can read many reviews of other people on Trustpilot or YouTube or Google. Search for this service and you will understand it's 100% legit. So I use it already, and for sure I guarantee and ensure you will receive payment on your PayPal account when you reach threshold of $20. So you can connect as many devices as you want, but they suggest if you want more frequently payment $20 that you use 3 devices. You can install also application for your Android or Mac OS phone, but one thing is very important. You cannot find this application in Play Store on or iTunes or however it's called on iPhone, because I don't use it, sorry, I don't know. But for Android, I know there is no this application in Play Store, and there are so many fake applications. You can download application like package here, email or put in Google Drive to share it, and then install on your phone. And then you can start it and let your mobile with some limit of bandwidth to also earn you some income. Because beware, don't search it on Play Store, because there are many scam applications there where you will actually give your resource to some third person and you will earn nothing. So only legit application what you can use and you can find is this one. And if you want to install it on your phone, or you have some extra phone what you don't use it, just install here, connect on your Wi-Fi and let it to work. It's super easy and super do nothing way how you can get some cash for, I say, pocket money. For somebody it's not money interesting at all, but for some people this money means something. So if you are in group of that people who need any kind of money without investing 1 cent, I think this will be perfect solution for you. Don't worry about payments, it's 100% legit. You will receive your money when you reach $20. It will be automatically paid to your PayPal account. Don't worry about privacy. It's really something what you should not be considered that it will steal some data from you or so on and so on, because it's only limited to use your bandwidth to provide open proxy for third person without touching your computer. So actually it's communication between your network card, router and data service, and without touching your computer. So guys, I hope this is, I never see something so easy and so doing nothing way to earn some money, no matter how it's small money or not small money. But for example, I have some friends who are crypto miners, and when they are going to mine some crypto coins or things like that, because it's very power consuming process, they install on Windows machine also this application to cover at least something with what they made for electricity cost and electricity bills. So if they can use this for reducing some electricity bills, everyone can use this, because there is no fear that this will harm you in any way. This is free money for literally doing nothing. So guys, have fun and see you in next video.